Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. You are welcome. You are all welcome. You are welcome. About to start the analysis right now. About to start the analysis. In the next 3 minutes, we're going to start the analysis. So I'm going to walk you guys through the market I have right here on my screen. Please, I need a comment on the chat box if you guys can hear my voice. Please, I need a comment on the chat box. You can put down a comment on the chat box if you can see the screen and then hear my voice before we start the analysis. We need a comment on this section box. We need a comment. We need a comment on the comment, but on the chat box. You're welcome, John. You're welcome. So I'm just trying to figure out, some of the settings right here of the streaming app. Seems I'm not getting things right at the moment, but I'm just gonna walk through some of the settings box right here. Okay, I think I'm on right now. So I got the likes of Bitcoin, got a crypto market. So yeah, I'm John. So I got the likes of crypto market. I got a Ethereum, Litecoin, got Ripple, Dash, Tron. I got a lot of coins I'm watching right here. Got a lot of coins on my watch list. And then I already sent out a trade idea on the Litecoin. So that was yesterday my time. I executed a trade on the Litecoin. So here's the Litecoin right here on my chart. I got a Litecoin, and then right here you can see the Litecoin had been on a parabolic or bullish movement right from the August, that is 3rd of August, year 2020. We can see the bullish parabolic or move on this currency that is on the Litecoin against the ULZ. And then we figure out a crash in the crypto market. That was not up to 24 hours ago. I shared this with VIP members of mine. I said I want to execute a position on the Litecoin. I want to accumulate more Litecoin into my digital wallet. And then I purchased, I added more Litecoin into my wallet. And then I actually got into this trade after I figured out price was reacting at a very important key level structure. So right here is the daily chart frame of the Litecoin. Here is the daily chart frame. So if you have been following this rally on this cryptocurrency, if you have been following this rally right from the 3rd of July of 2020, then you should have known, right? This massive sell-off we got on the Litecoin doesn't mean Litecoin is actually in a bearish rally yet. It's still under the influence of the bulls. I sense this analysis on the trading view. And then, so let's check on the 1 hour chart frame, which I got right here. Here is the 1 hour chart frame of the Litecoin. I'm going to show you guys where I got into this trade, where I got accumulated more Litecoin into my digital wallet. So here is the 1 hour chart frame. And then I got a 4 hour chart frame. Here comes the 4 hour chart frame. And then here comes the daily chart frame. So navigating, let's check as well on the weekly chart frame, what we got on the weekly chart frame, what is going on the weekly chart frame right now. So here is the weekly chart frame. On the weekly chart frame, we can see price actually carved a double bottom. We can figure out we got a first test right here. We got a second test right here. We tag this as the first bottom of this rally right here. And then we got a second retest right here. So we can tag this bottom right here, the formation right here as a double bottom. And then we got right there as the neckline of this double bottom at the moment. And then this is actually the kind of formation which are actually formed on the chart of the Ethereum paired against the ULZ. If you have been following the chart of the Ethereum paired against the ULZ, you should have seen this chart pattern on the that is on the Ethereum paired against the ULZ. So I'm gonna quickly walk us through, show us the chart of the Ethereum. Here is the chart of the Ethereum. You can see we got a double bottom right, we got a second bottom right here, and then we get a neckline, this medium. That's a price level of 315.65. That was on Ethereum, and this was the midpoint of May. And there, okay, let's check on the date. Let's check on the date right here. We got a formation of this neckline that was in 24th of June, that was 2019. And then this level was being broken at the 27th of July, 2020. That means it took a year interval, within a year. That's a year interval. That is a multi-year key level resistance structure, which was being broken down on the Ethereum. And then price made a retest of this broken, or that is a key neckline. So same formation we got on the Litecoin. So here's the Litecoin right now. Here's the Litecoin. So our expectation on the Litecoin technically is we need to figure out no price breaking up above this no neckline. That is the price level of the 144.53. So price actually broke this neckline. So let's check the date which price was being broken at this level. So that was on the 28th of December. That was the last year, 2020. Price broke this on the weekly chart frame. Price broke this medium. That was on the 28th of December 2020. And then we got no continuation of rally, not until price made a pullback. So we are currently on a pullback on the Litecoin right now. So I'm looking for an opportunity to go along with a bullish rally due to the formation of the double bottom right here. But my expectation on the Ethereum is for as long price keeps on trading above this neckline, that's a price level of the 144.53, there's high tendency for the price of Litecoin to retest the key level resistance, which acts at the price level of the 182.15. So this is the next key level resistance we got to pay close attention to. This is a very, very strong arch. Let's check the period which this key level structure had been existent. Let's check the time frame right here. Okay, right from the 30th of April year 2018. So that is a key level structure. That is a multi-year key level structure that was 2 years plus. So we gotta pay close attention to this price level. So this is the next target resistance level for Litecoin paired against the USD. So as well right now, I accumulated more Litecoin, and then I got in right from the 1 hour chart frame. So the strategy which I applied right there is I'm trying to buy the crash, buying the crash of the Litecoin in order to retest the next key level resistance. So, and then I want to, okay, let's figure out the 4 hour, there's a daily chart frame. Here comes the daily chart frame. We got a breakout, nice, perfect breakout. That was on the 3rd of January based on the daily chart frame. We got that. And then we got a pullback at this level. So at the moment right now, price is currently trading below this key level structure, but we need to figure out a healthy bullish close of bar above this key level structures today. So if the boost can ensure a daily close of bar above this level today, there is high tendency for the price of Litecoin to pull up to retest. There is a high we got at the 182.15. So that is the resistance level I am targeting right now. So if you're a day trader, you can still get in, but you need to figure out the end of close of bar today as a day trader. As a day trader, then you can still get in. That is after the end of close of today's bar. So if the end of close of today's bar actually carved an inside bullish bar to the crash of the bar right here, then it's still a buy or signal. So we need to figure out a close of bar above this level. If this can occur, then it's a more signal for a more bullish interest on the Litecoin. Actually, I got in based on the lower time frame. I got in earlier, and that is based on I got in right from the signal I got on the 1 hour chart frame before this high wave bar formed right there. This doji right there, this long-legged doji right there before it formed. So in combination of this bar we got right here on the Litecoin, if you should combine this bearish bar right here with the long-legged doji we got right there, with the bullish bar we got right there, we can call this bar right there as a morning star. So there is a morning star variation bar we got right there, which is acting right there for a more bullish continuation or bullish rally on the Litecoin paired against the ULZ. As well, if I should navigate based on the 1 hour chart frame right here on my chart, I bought the bullish pin bar right from the price level of 122.26. So I accumulated more Litecoin when I got a bullish bar and a bullish prayer right there. I got in at this level right there. So at the moment right now, price is currently finding it difficult to break above the key level structure of the 144.53. So we need to figure out a daily close of bar above this level right there in order to suggest more bullish rally. And then again, there is a kind of pattern which I can figure out which has a high possibility to form on this chart based on the 1 hour chart frame. If you view, we got a swing lower low right here. We got a swing low right here. We got a formation right there. Actually, this formation is not yet done right now. So we can tag this formation right here. Technically, we can tag this formation right here as head right here, shoulder right here. We got a shoulder right here. But we need to figure out this swing low right here actually ensure a bullish rally close above this level before we can tag this level right here as a right shoulder. So this technically my expectation on the Litecoin paired against the ULZ, and then we're gonna have our descending neckline right here. So if you want to take this trade based on the 1 hour chart formation right here, you got to figure out a well-defined right shoulder closing above the neckline right here. So you can accumulate more Litecoin if you can figure out a wealthy close of bar above this level. So I got in at the very low price right there. So I'm still in profit on this position. So that is not my technical opinion on the Litecoin. So let's check on Ethereum as well. Same formation we got on Ethereum, same pattern we got on Ethereum. Actually, I viewed the chart of Ethereum or the crypto yesterday, but I feel more convenient to accumulate more Litecoin. So here's a chart of Ethereum. So I wasn't convenient with the formation right here yesterday. So I was convenient with the bar right here because this is very, 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 very visible and then very, very easy to detect. Very cool or bar formation right here. So this is why I'm accumulating more Litecoin right here. So let's check on the Ripple market. Based on the Ripple market on the daily chart frame, the Ripple is still under the influence of the bears. Like we can figure out right from the high swing right there, we got a downward trend, downward trend. So the Ripple is still under the influence of the bears. So we need to figure out price ensuring a close above the key level structure right here, the key level structure of the 0.329. There's a key level structure which acts at this level right here. So let's get this off. We need to figure out price closing above this level. Failure for the boost to ensure a daily close above this level, then it does suggest the bears are still taking over on the chart of the Ripple. Remember February 22, that is the day this SEE, that is the XEC and the Ripple board is gonna meet. That is for the lawsuit being charged against Ripple. So I think our investor, the big guys, are still waiting for this day to see the outcome of the lawsuit. So and then as well, let's check on the Dash. We got a Dash right here. We got a very choppy market right there. We got a bullish breakout, but I'm not convenient with this formation right here. So let's check the Tron network. Same on the Tron network, we still got a market within the range. And then based on the link, that is a chain link, we still got as well market within the range. And based on the XLM, I love the formation right on the XLM. That's the XLM. I love the formation right here. A strong bullish pin bar based on the daily chart frame. And then you can see the flash, which we got right after price broke this level, right from the breakout zone right here. XLM got an appreciation of almost 114%. So there's a crash right now. So I'm as well gonna look up for opportunity to get to acquire some XLM coin. So I love the formation I got right here. So we need to figure out a daily close above this key level structure of the 0.283016 in order to anticipate for a more bullish upward rally today. Key level structure, which acts at the price level of the 0.351272. So that's the next key level structure. So if you guys can hear me right there, if you can see the screen properly, nice. Please put a comment down on this live market analysis. And then let's check on the Zcash. As well, we got a very choppy market right here. I'm not convenient with this market formation we got right here. I got a V chain. Here's a V chain. So here's a V chain. The V chain as well is on a bullish upward rally, but we got no pullback right now. So if you are trying to invest in the V chain, I think the V chain as well is offering a nice technical setup for the fact, we got a point of rejection as a resistance structure we got right here, resistance structure right here. We got a rejection right here, and then price was being rejected at a price level of the 0.02243634. So we need to figure out a healthy bullish price action bar if you want to anticipate for a more bullish upward rally on the V chain. And the next key level structure you got to pay close attention to should be the price of the 0.02798933. Actually, I constructed my key level structures based on the weekly chart frame. So if you construct your key level structure based on daily chart frame, whereby you have your key level structure at this point right there, it's also nice. Remember, you got to treat these levels just you don't have to treat it just like a point whereby you figure out there's high tendency, it's a guaranteed or level. You just have to treat it as an area on your chart. So you treat your key level structures as an area to watch out for on the chart and not as a guaranteed for you to take any trade. You need to combine a lot of factors before you make your final decision on any key level structure you want to act upon. So there is that on the V chain. So let's check other market I got as well. I got other stocks. I got a Apple stock. I got a Tesla. I got a Amazon. And then I'm currently watching the Amazon. Actually, there was a news release yesterday that was on Amazon. Amazon was being charged. So you can check that news up. I think I got a news yesterday about the news no relation with Amazon stock company. So you can check that on there, or you can search that on the Google search engine. There's the latest news about Amazon. So if you want to invest in Amazon right now, technically it's not the right time to buy the stocks of Amazon, because if we can figure out a healthy close of bullish or bearish bar below the symmetrical triangle we got right here, it does suggest a more crash on the Amazon stocks. So I got a Microsoft as well, symmetrical triangle. I got a Facebook stocks as well, bearish trend right now, but still under the influence of the boost on the long-term trend. I got other stocks as well, and then I'm as well investing in solar stocks, that is solar company stocks. So the world right now is tending to change into a greener, cleaner source of energy. So I'm investing most of my portfolio on the solar stocks company. So I can see right here, I'm monitoring a lot of solar stocks company as well, electric, powered vehicles companies. There is a companies manufacturing electrical cars. So like the likes of NIO or Tesla, as well I'm investing in electric charging or companies. These are companies charging electric cars. So there's gonna be high demand in these companies in the future to come. So these are the stocks I got. And then as well, I wanna share with you what I got on the gold. The gold is still under the bearish or short-term trend. But on the long-term trend, the gold is still bullish. So we need to figure out a daily close of bar below the swings of the price level of 177.5.909 before the bears can actually successfully to take over the chart of the gold. So I got a silver market as well, same. I got a US oil. The US oil is currently on a bullish rally. And the next potential key level resistance we got to pay close attention to would be at a price level of 54.34. That is what we got now on the US oil. So, and then now to foreign exchange, I got a British pound sterling against the ULZ. Can see the British pound sterling is still trading above the key level structure of 1.34814. So for as long the bulls are still defending this key level, then it's a signal the bulls are still willing to pull price more higher. So we need to figure out bearish close of bar. There should be a bearish close of bar below this key level structure in order to anticipate for a more bearish downward rally. So let's check on other currency pairs. I got a euro pair against the ULZ, and currently at the moment, euro is breaking the dynamic resistance trend line, dynamic support trend line right from the October of year 2020. We can see how this price was being rejected. That was on 20th of November, year 2020. Price is breaking low. You can see that right now. So we need to pay close attention to what is gonna be the end of bar for today. For as long the bears successfully defend this key level, minor key level structure we got at the price level of the 1.21587, then it does suggest the bears are willing to take over price to the next swing high low, which we're gonna get, which would be price level of the 1.20619. So the euro right now is currently still on the bullish rally, but the bears are gradually showing sign of interest. So that's what we got on the euro pair against the ULZ. As well, I got the ULZ pairs against the Japanese yen. So I released this weekly, I analyzed this chart on the weekly forex forecast I released for this week. So if you haven't watched the weekly forex forecast, you can go through the video and watch. I gave more analysis on this currency pairs. That is the ULZ paired against the Japanese yen right in the weekly forex forecast. So I got a ULZ switch. I got the Australian dollar paired against the ULZ. And then as well, I want to share with you what I can figure out now on the chart of the British pound sterling paired against the Japanese yen. Here's the British pound sterling against the Japanese yen. Right from the level right here, we got a dynamic resistance trend line. So price is gradually breaking out right now. So on the weekly chart, price is breaking out of a multi-year dynamic resistance trend line that is on the British pound sterling against the Japanese yen. So we need to figure out a strong weekly close above the last high we got right here. We need to figure out a healthy close of bar before we can anticipate for a more bullish upward rally on the British pound sterling paired against the Japanese yen. What I can figure out on this chart at the moment, I can figure out, can see series of bullish prayer, which does suggest a more bullish rally on the British pound sterling paired against the Japanese yen. As well, let's check on the lower time frame. Checking on the daily chart frame, you can see we got our extension of trend within a rising channel. As well, here comes the 4-hour chart frame. You can see we got a retest based on the 4-hour chart frame right here. We got a second retest right here. We got a third retest right here. We got a LD close of bar above this level. This does suggest more bullish rally on the British pound sterling against the Japanese yen. So that is technically what I can figure out now on the British pound sterling paired against the Japanese yen. So that, guys, that is all I want to share with you. That is all I want to share with you as well. I got the euro paired against the Japanese yen, still in the choppy market. I got the Australian dollar still on a bullish rally. I got the New Zealand. I got the Canadian dollar. I got a switch as well. Nothing much on the switch, still a very choppy market. So this all I want to share with you guys today. Other market I got right here are solar stocks and then electric powered vehicles, stocks. So thank you so much. And then as well, I want to share with you Australian dollar paired against the New Zealand. Here comes the Australian dollar paired against the New Zealand. Let's check on the daily chart frame. Here comes on the daily chart frame, The pattern we got right here as well looks like an inverse head and shoulder. You can tag this right as a shoulder, as a head, and right here as a shoulder. So we can tag this one right here as a neckline. Neckline, we got a neckline right here. So price is currently trading above the neckline, which does suggest more bullish no rally. So this is what I want to share with you guys. That is on the Australian dollar paired against the New Zealand. Australian dollar paired against the New Zealand. Excel buy. So guys, that's what I want to share with you. If you have any question, have any comment, the comment box is all yours. Looking forward to seeing you. That will be tomorrow my time. That will be 12 p.m. GMT+1. Thanks for watching, and then do have a wonderful day ahead. Peace.